Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little bit of a unboxing kind of video, unpacking kind of video of the what is the teacher's edition planner accessories pack for like the big teacher planner. I am in my in-laws house and they live out in the country, so it's really nice and peaceful out here and I get to film outside in the daylight and it's just really nice. But I am filming on my computer today. I'm not filming like with my camera, so I can't do an overhead view, so we're just gonna go ahead and do this kind of view. I had actually opened this when I got it earlier today, and I took the little plastic out because there was a plastic that was holding like the stickers and the paper clip together in this, so I went ahead and took it out because it was just, I couldn't get it back in. So yeah, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump into what we have here. So it comes with this little bookmark paper clip. It has like little polka dots. It's super cute. I'll just put it over here to the side. I don't want it to get dirty because it's white. And then it does come with 2 sticker sheets. I did buy this off of the buy and sell pages on Facebook. So also comes with this little folder. It says Teachers Change the World One Child at a Time. I thought it was super cute. And then this other one, it's super cute. It says Teacher's Gonna Teach, which is adorable. And then it comes with a whole bunch of pages. Let me see here. I was trying to see if it said how many it came with, but it actually doesn't. Let me see. I mean, on the back of my teacher planner, at the moment, the one that I do have like checklists. And I do have some like, okay, so this one is just like classroom events and volunteers, you know, and you write your classroom volunteers and your special events and your field trips down here below. And then on the back of it is, they are called classroom checklists. And actually, I haven't found too many ways to use these yet. I only have a couple of these. I had like 5 of them in the back of my teacher planner that I have for this year. Well, because we are homeschooling Aaliyah at the moment. And so what I've been doing is I've been using it to keep track of her attendance when she actually does school, because some days she has been sick. So I guess that's sort of the good thing about homeschooling. When they're sick, you know, we don't do homeschooling today. Or sometimes stuff happens and we can't homeschool, so we'll just, you know what, we're not going to do nothing today, but we're going to do something some other day. And she does only homeschool 4 days a week, so I guess that's also a good thing. So I don't know. It has a whole bunch of these. I mean, and when I say a whole bunch, I mean like a whole bunch of these. And then let me put that to the side. And then we also have a whole bunch of note paper, and this is really cute note paper because it has like the notes, and then it has like the date, so you can like write the date over here. I'm sorry, it's my camera screen is split. And then you have like the little stars on the side, and this sort of reminds me of a bookmark that I got in a student planner from last year that I had bought. And then it has a whole bunch of like note paper on both sides. It's the same thing. So yeah, guys, that's everything in this planner accessories kit. In case you were thinking of picking this one up, I know I saw it on the Mambi website and I thought it was super cute, but honestly I didn't want to pay for the shipping on it on the Mambi website, and I got a really good deal with this. I got this one for probably under $3 shipped, along with a teacher planner that I had gotten that's on the buy and sell website, on the buy and sell Facebook page. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.